Is it very pressing?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope to visit the Gullah Geechee Nation. Definitely. You know. I give the last speech to the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Thank you for that. I thank you for this, your meeting and everything, but I have to be back in the Gullah Geechee Nation tomorrow. I only fly up for the day for this year because of how important it is. So I want you to know that in terms of your elections tomorrow, I won't be here because we have a ceremony tomorrow for our ancestors on the Atlantic Ocean. So I will be flying out, as we say, when they're clean. But that does not mean that I don't have an interest in what you are doing tomorrow. And I want you to know that I especially want to be considered in regard to volunteering for it due to the fact that everyone else here that I've met is largely in the Northeast and I'm in the Southeast. And so I feel that you do need that voice in the Southeast. I also am a computer scientist and mathematician. So in regard to a lot of the networking things you're talking about, literal networking in terms of IT as well as Facebook, various other things that I think we're going to need to keep this process going and this dialogue going, I'm willing to volunteer to assist with that in terms of the process for the group. And I just wanted to tell everyone here that I thank the family for this discussion. And I thank you for the spirit of this engagement because it truly was a family affair. And I generally have only had them in New York when there have been a bunch of we Gullah Geechee to get together for a whole house party. So this has been a wonderful party and I thank you all. And there'll be someone here in my stead tomorrow, but he won't look like me. But he'll be in his chair. All right? But you all be blessed and continue because we need to be unified. How are the children to do this year? The Queen Quet, one more again from this year Gullah Geechee TV Nayshun Nyews. Now look here, run into some of you Gullah Geechee TV fans plenty of time, but we never run into someone with a shoe on the shoe. So here I am at the African Union reception, and look here who I meet. Yeah, tell the children who one of us.
My name is Maria Gituma from Namibia, and I work with UNAIDS. And when I walked into this reception today and seeing this sister, I told my sister over there that, oh my goodness, I know this sister from YouTube. I've been watching her TV show. It's amazing. The issue I sat home and listening to your program because I was doing research on the people and I was amazed by what I found. And please keep up the good job. And I hope a lot of people will be able to watch your show because I think I really enjoyed myself. It was very educational.
Thank you so much. So Hannah children will watch Gullah Geechee TV every week. We say thank you to all Hannah. Thank you sister. Never forget for coming stop me on the street or on the road, on the creek even. And Hannah children recognize we from this your program because that's why we to do that. So Hannah to know this year the work going on. Peace and blessings. How the children do this year to me at the AU. We have our last gathering of the evening for this year African Diaspora meeting. We're so glad for them in New York, as some would say, in Big Apple and things like that with the family. So you know at the end of the day, the family had fellowship dinner. So this year the work going on. Peace and blessings.